My friends, welcome to exercise 108 in my 200 3D CAD models in FreeCAD series. Exercise 108 is not much of a complex object. It is symmetric by one axis and we will take it from there. So this is 70 and then let's keep it on XY plane and let's go back to the looking at the object. So this is symmetric by this plane. We want to start with this face. We want to build this wall. I want to place this image on XZ plane, which is the front of the object. So let's go ahead and relocate this image to one of its corners. Let's take the axis cross away and now let's go ahead and start sketching on XZ plane. So I want to draw this sketch real quick. So the sketch is drawn. Now let's go ahead and put some constraints. Alright, this sketch is done. Let's go ahead and extrude that to the thickness is 5 millimeter. We got our wall. I want to place this wall right in this level, so it should be my front wall and it will be 19 divided by 2 millimeter away from the origin. So I want to go and on y direction I want to say this is 19 divided by 2. Bring it forward. All right, we have that wall kind of spaced out, and let's go ahead and mirror it against XZ plane, right? And the gap between these two should be 19. So let's give it a try. So between this point and this point, the gap is 19 millimeter, and that's what we wanted to have. Okay, so now we'll have to make a cube that will have 3 holes. So we'll build on these 3 cylinders. First thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and bring in a cylinder right there and make it radius 7.5, which is 15 millimeter in diameter. And I want to say height would be more than definitely 30. So let's go ahead and make it 35. I want to transform it to face it like this, so that matches with our hole, and let's bring it back, push it down there. So that is our first cylinder. I want to make another cylinder. Obviously it would be the same diameter and then height would be say 35, but I want to bring that z to -16. So there is that, and let's say I want to make another similar thing. So there will be another cylinder. I could clone all of these instead of placing this 7.5 millimeter radius every time. I definitely could clone them. Alright, and I want to transform it again on this face there. So the base, the origin is really helping us actually pinning down this cylinder, so that's a good thing. So we have all of these things, 3 cylinders that we will be using to make the holes. So I'm gonna go ahead and make them one fusion. I'm gonna say 3 holes. Okay, now we will pay attention to the cube that we will be building. So this cube, so let's go ahead and hide this and make a cube. So that cube will be spanning 19 millimeter, so spanning between these. So I'm gonna say the width it would be 19, but it went to the wrong side, so I'm gonna say on this one a minus 9.5. So that brings between these two, right? And length it would be 30, and we'll have to bring it minus 15 back, and height it would be 30, and we'll have to bring it down by 15, so that's like half the length. All right, so we bring back the holes and we take the cube, take the holes and delete the holes. There. Very simple. So for this case, for this object, I am thinking picking the origin really helped us. Anyway, let's go ahead and make all of this one fusion and say final object. And that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this method. I will see you in the next video then. Thank you for watching.